What's up, YouTube? Que lo que? My name is Christian Ramos, and I'm the one, the only, the Curl Papi. And today on my channel, I am breaking my #1 rule. If you want to find out what that is, stay tuned.
You are now watching the Curl Papi.
So the rule that I'm going to be breaking today is that I am going to do a review of hair products that I did not use for more than at least a month. And those hair products are from the brand Rizos Curls. Rizos Curls is a Latina-owned brand that you can find exclusively at Target and at the Rizos Curls website. I have so many friends that have been trying to get me to use these products, but every time I go to Target, there's either one or two or none of the items available at the store, and I don't like getting collections unless they are full collections to see how the products actually work with my hair. And I know what a lot of you guys are thinking, why not just get it shipped to your house? Listen, I don't have time for that. I'm the type of person that if I buy something, I want it there and then, and we're not gonna buy the products online. That being said though, the last time I went to Target, guess what? They didn't have the full collection, but what they did have was the mini travel size. I am missing one of the products from the full line because this line only has 4 different products, but it's okay because the product that I am missing is a detangling spray, and I don't really use detangling sprays. I don't like using refreshers. I just like letting my hair rock until it's time to put it up in a bun and it's time for the next wash day. I also want to add that I did reach out to the brand via Instagram to see if I can get some products sent over, and they were very courteous and very polite. They did forward me to their PR department, which then they later told me that right now they were not accepting any more candidates for their sponsors. And listen, it's cool. I'm nobody on YouTube yet, so I wasn't really expecting to get free products, but it would have been nice if I did. And with all that being said, let's get right into the review.
So I was able to purchase this travel kit for $14.99, which honestly is on the pricey side, especially when you're only getting a 2 ounce of the hydrating shampoo, a 2 ounce of the deep conditioner, and 2 ounces of the curl defining cream. And I don't know about y'all, but do y'all really want to pay $5 for 2 ounces? Let's get started with the wash. I had a bunch of oil in my hair, and let's see if this shampoo was gonna get rid of all of that buildup. So as you can see, this shampoo is super runny, and a little goes a long way because this shampoo gave me a lot of lather, like a lot of lather. No, like seriously, a lot of lather. So now it's time to go in with the deep conditioner. As you can see, the consistency, it looks a little thick, but it's actually really runny just like the shampoo. And it has like a little bit of a sticky, gluey kind of feel, which I wasn't really into. I will say it was super easy to distribute throughout my hair and get it through every single strand. As you can see here, I'm just going in with my wide tooth comb, and I did like the little definition that it was giving my curls. From what I saw online, you can double this up as a hair mask. So I put it in my hair for about an hour with my self-heating hair cap. And honestly, after rinsing it out and feeling my hair did not feel as moisturized as I was expecting it to be. And now to go in with the curl defining cream, which is a styler from the line. I will say that it was super lightweight, had an amazing smell, and it was super easy to distribute throughout my hair. As you can see, I'm just raking it through my strands, and then we're gonna get in there and do some scrunching to get some curl definition, which it did give me some great curl definition, so I was happy about that. What we do on one side, we have to follow up on the other to make sure that both sides are looking cute, flaky, and presentable. And then we're gonna make sure we focus on the back as well. And honestly, I don't know how I felt about this. Whenever I'm styling my hair, I like to go in with a gel, but for the purposes of this video, I wasn't gonna put on a gel. I wanted to see how the product was gonna look without gel in it, since this was a first impressions review.
All right, so let me think of choosing my words wisely, because I don't want to offend a Latina-owned brand, especially one that's picking up traction and becoming pretty big in the hair community. But at the same time, I need to keep it real, and this line was not it, sis. First, let's look at the results. I'm not gonna front, the results are good. You know, my hair looks pretty good. Not gonna complain about how my hair looks. But I don't know about you guys, but for me, products are about an experience. Like, wash days are an experience for me. And I did not enjoy the experience of this wash day. When it came to the shampoo was super drying and left my hair super stiff, super hard. And yes, shampoos are supposed to clarify your hair, and maybe sometimes it over clarifies, but for me, number one, I have 10 other shampoos in my cabinet that leave my hair super moisturized. And secondly, the name of the shampoo is hydrating shampoo. And my hair was not hydrated at all. It was stiff and it felt like hay. Secondly, the deep conditioner, I don't know if it was supposed to be just a standalone conditioner or it was supposed to be a deep conditioner or a hybrid of the two, but it could have left my hair more moisturized, and it didn't. It didn't do the thing for me. It wasn't it. It wasn't it. It wasn't it. And although my hair looks decent, I'm not gonna front, it looks decent, but that curling cream, mediocre. If I'm gonna stand behind the brand, I need to enjoy all of the products, and I need to enjoy the experience of my wash day. And I don't know. This wasn't it. It wasn't it. Another thing, I was seeing a lot of reviews that were saying that this product was not supposed to leave your hair crunchy. Why the hell did I have to scrunch to get all this cast out? I had a cast in my hair. So I don't know if maybe I used too much or too little or whatever. I don't know. But it wasn't it. Another claim from the product was supposed to be that your hair is not supposed to have frizz. Listen, look at the top of this head. There is so much frizz. It wasn't it. This wasn't it. This is not the Curl Papi approved, and this is not what I was expecting, honestly, because let me tell you something. This is why I do not like that people hype up brands to me and then I try them out and then they're just trash. Because I'm telling you, the momentum was building, and it wasn't from one or two people. It was from multiple people that told me that this brand, I was gonna love it. And I don't know what happened. And yes, again, you know, my hair looks, I don't know. I'm just rambling at this point because I wasn't impressed. And in all honesty, my biggest riff is not that the products were mediocre, is that these products are super expensive. One product is $20. And if I'm gonna pay $20 for 4 products, that's $80, which means if I'm coming out of pocket for $80, these products better be popping, and they weren't. And I have products from brands that are way less expensive that do the same or even better jobs. All right, guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and comment. Also, follow me on Instagram at the Curl Papi, because you already know I'll be posting fleeky pics out here. Until next time, bye.